Your pharmacist and Julie today. How may I help you?
I've had a cough and fever for 2 weeks. I want to buy an antibiotic.
I am sorry to hear that. You must be feeling pretty uncomfortable. I'd like to help, but I can't dispense antibiotic without a doctor's prescription.
Why not? That's ridiculous. I always buy medicine here. Why can't I get it now?
I completely understand your frustration, Mr. Roberto. I appreciate you sharing that with me. The reason is that antibiotics only work on bacterial infections. Since many coughs and fever are actually caused by viruses, taking antibiotics unnecessarily can cause side effects or resistance, meaning they won't work when you really need them.
But it's been 2 weeks already. Isn't it long enough?
You're right. 2 weeks is quite a long time to feel unwell. Just to understand your situation better, do you have any phlegm, chest tightness, or difficulty breathing?
No, just a dry cough and mild fever on and off.
Thank you for clarifying that. So based on your symptoms, it still seems more likely to be viral. But since it's been going on for so long, it's best to see a doctor who can examine it properly and decide if an antibiotic is really needed.
I don't want to go through that all again.
I completely get that. It can be tiring, but seeing a doctor will give you a peace of mind and make sure you get the right treatment. I can help schedule a quick clinic visit or recommend a nearby doctor if that would help.
Alright, I'll go, but I'm not happy about it.
That's totally understandable, and I appreciate you being open about how you feel. Once you get the prescription, I'll personally make sure you get the right medicine and guidelines. Before you go, is there anything else bothering you today that I can help with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're very welcome, Mr. Roberto. I hope you feel better soon, and before you head out, was I able to help you today, or is there anything else I could have done better?
No, you were great. Thank you.
I really appreciate that. Take care and don't hesitate to come back if you have more questions.